Hi, this is Sriyank Siddhartha and welcome to my course of Android Fundamentals, Views and Adapters. I am a freelance Android developer and trainer with several years of experience in the field of Android development. One of the fundamental requirements for any mobile application is to display data in a view. Very often the data comes as a collection and must be displayed on screen as a list or a page. To help with this, Android provides a system called Adapter, which is responsible for making a view for each item in the dataset. So in this course of Views and Adapters, some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding view holder design pattern using recyclerView.adapter, implementing list and grids using recyclerView.adapter, using paged list adapter which belongs to paging library, creating swipeable views and fragments using special adapters used in View Pager 2. And finally, we will create spinner using array adapter. By the end of this course, you will know how to use adapters in your application. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with using Android Studio, Android Application Development Basics, and just the basics and syntax of Kotlin programming language. I hope you will join me on this journey to explore adapters in Android only at Pluralsight.